Imagine a place in the cosmos where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. Welcome to the enigmatic world of black holes. These cosmic phenomena are the ultimate expression of gravity's might, born from the remnants of stars that have exhausted their nuclear fuel. They are regions in space where gravity is so intense that it warps the very fabric of space-time, creating a gravitational well from which there is no return. Black holes are mysterious, invisible to our eyes, yet their presence is unmistakably felt throughout the universe. They are the cosmic vacuum cleaners, swallowing everything that strays too close, from dust and gas to entire stars. They are the architects of galaxies, anchoring the swirling masses of stars, gas, and dust. And yet, despite their omnipresence and influence, they remain one of the most enigmatic entities in our cosmos. Now you might wonder, how do these fascinating objects come into existence? Black holes don't just pop into existence. They are born out of the remnants of dying stars and the very centers of galaxies. But how exactly does this happen? Let's delve into the birth of a black hole. Stars, those colossal spheres of hot, glowing gases, are the universe's nuclear reactors. They burn hydrogen to produce helium in a process known as nuclear fusion. This keeps them shining brilliantly for billions of years. But there comes a time, as with all things, when stars exhaust their nuclear fuel. What happens next depends on the star's mass. Consider a star much larger than our Sun, say, one with a mass 25 times that of our Sun. As it exhausts its nuclear fuel, it can no longer support its own weight. The star collapses under its own gravity in a dramatic, violent event called a supernova. This explosion can outshine an entire galaxy, albeit briefly. What's left behind is a dense core. If this core is about 3 times the mass of our Sun, the force of gravity becomes so strong that it overpowers all other forces. It crushes the core into an infinitesimally small point, a singularity, where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape, and thus a black hole is born. Now, what about supermassive black holes, the ones that lurk at the centers of galaxies? These are not born from individual stars. Instead, they might have formed early in the universe's history, growing larger over time by consuming stars, gas, and other black holes. Some theories even suggest they could be the result of countless stellar black holes collapsing together. The birth of a black hole, whether stellar or supermassive, is a testament to the immense power and complexity of our universe. It's a process of transformation, of death and rebirth on a cosmic scale, playing out over millions, if not billions of years. But what happens when something or someone ventures too close to a black hole? Meet the event horizon, the boundary marking the point of no return for anything falling into a black hole. Picture this, a celestial border, where the gravitational pull becomes so intense that not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can escape. This is where the name black hole originates, as any light that strays into the event horizon is forever trapped, rendering the black hole invisible to the naked eye. Beyond this threshold, the laws of physics as we understand them start to crumble. Time and space intertwine in a phenomenon known as time dilation. To an observer watching from a safe distance, time appears to slow down for an object approaching the event horizon, ultimately seeming to freeze just as it crosses this boundary. But for the object itself, time continues as normal, and at the heart of this darkness lies the ultimate mystery, the singularity. The singularity, a point where the laws as we know them break down, lies at the very center of a black hole. Imagine an area of infinite density, where matter is crushed to an infinitesimal point. This is the heart of a black hole, the singularity. All the mass of a black hole is concentrated here, creating a gravitational pull so immense that not even light can escape. The singularity is cloaked by the event horizon, making it impossible for us to observe directly. Here, our understanding of physics, of space and time, of reality itself, is challenged. Einstein's theory of general relativity predicts the existence of these singularities, but it also suggests that they are places where the theory itself fails. Quantum mechanics, another pillar of modern physics, also struggles to explain what happens at the singularity. But how does a black hole affect the very fabric of the cosmos? Black holes don't just suck in matter, they warp the fabric of space-time itself. Imagine space-time as a rubber sheet, A massive object like a star or a planet distorts this sheet, creating a dip or a well that we perceive as gravity. Now picture a black hole on this rubber sheet. It's so incredibly dense, so immensely heavy, that it doesn't just make a dip, it creates a hole, a bottomless pit. This is the concept of a gravity well. But black holes don't stop at distorting space-time. They twist and turn it with their rotation, creating whirlpools in the fabric of the universe. These whirlpools can tug on nearby objects, influencing their motion. This is the essence of how black holes warp space-time, showing us a side of gravity we otherwise wouldn't see. And yet these cosmic monsters might not be eternal after all. In a universe ruled by entropy, even black holes might not last forever. Enter Hawking radiation. This is a theoretical prediction made by none other than the brilliant physicist Stephen Hawking. According to him, black holes aren't as black as we think. They emit tiny particles, now known as Hawking radiation. These particles, although minuscule, can have a mighty effect over time. Picture a black hole losing weight, particle by particle, over an unimaginably long period. This process, often referred to as black hole evaporation, could eventually lead to the complete demise of a black hole. Yet, the concept of Hawking radiation brings with it a paradox. If a black hole evaporates, what happens to all the information it has swallowed over its lifetime? Does it vanish, contradicting our understanding of the universe? Or is it somehow preserved? But what happens to the information that falls into a black hole? Black holes pose a fundamental challenge to our understanding of the universe: the information paradox. Now, what is this information paradox? Well, it's a conundrum that arises from the principles of quantum mechanics and the nature of black holes. According to quantum mechanics, information cannot be lost. It's a bit like saying you can't burn a book without the ashes still containing the information that was in the book. However, black holes seem to contradict this. When something falls into a black hole, it appears to disappear completely, vanishing behind the event horizon. So, what happens to the information it carried? This is the crux of the information paradox. Stephen Hawking, the famous physicist, proposed that black holes emit radiation, now known as Hawking radiation, and can eventually evaporate away. But if a black hole disappears, what happens to the information that fell into it? Is it lost forever? This would violate the principles of quantum mechanics, leading to the paradox. There are many theories attempting to resolve this paradox. Some suggest that the information is somehow encoded in the Hawking radiation that the black hole emits. Others propose that the information is stored in a two-dimensional hologram at the event horizon. Yet another idea is that the information is not lost, but is instead transported into another universe. This paradox is one of the key reasons why we still don't have a complete theory that unifies quantum mechanics and general relativity, the two pillars of modern physics. The solution to the information paradox could be a significant step towards that elusive theory of everything. So far, we've talked about what's outside a black hole, but what about the inside? Venturing beyond the event horizon, we delve into the realm of the unknown. This is a place where our usual understanding of the universe fails us. Within this boundary, light cannot escape, and time and space as we know them cease to exist. Delving into the mysteries of what might exist inside the event horizon, we encounter bizarre and fascinating theories. One such theory proposes the existence of a firewall. This suggests a tumultuous boundary layer where infalling matter is incinerated by intense radiation. This firewall, if it exists, would challenge our understanding of quantum mechanics and general relativity, two fundamental pillars of physics. On the other hand, some theories suggest the presence of wormholes within the event horizon. These hypothetical structures, often described as tunnels or shortcuts through space-time, could theoretically provide a pathway to different regions of the universe, or possibly even to other universes altogether. However, these ideas remain purely speculative, as the extreme conditions inside a black hole make direct observation a daunting if not impossible task. Another intriguing concept is that of a singularity, an infinitesimally small, infinitely dense point at the center of a black hole. Here, all known laws of physics seem to break down, creating what is known as a singularity problem. This issue represents one of the greatest unsolved problems in theoretical physics. Yet, despite these enigmatic theories, we must remember that our understanding of what lies beyond the event horizon is still in its infancy. The mysteries concealed within these cosmic beasts remain largely uncharted territory, challenging our scientific theories and pushing the boundaries of our imagination. As we strive to understand these cosmic monsters, we confront the limits of our current scientific understanding. But with every mystery that unfolds, we inch closer to the elusive truths that lie at the heart of our universe. As we continue to explore, we find ourselves standing on the brink of discovery, peering into the abyss of the unknown and eagerly awaiting the revelations that lie beyond the event horizon. Solving the mysteries of black holes requires us to reconcile two of the greatest theories in physics. Yes, we're talking about the monumental task of uniting quantum mechanics and general relativity. These two theories work exceptionally well in their respective realms. Quantum mechanics rules the world of the very small, the realm of particles and quarks. In contrast, general relativity reigns supreme in the grand scale of the universe, explaining the motions of planets, stars, and galaxies. But when it comes to black holes, these two theories clash in a dramatic way. You see, the heart of a black hole, the singularity, is both incredibly small and incredibly massive. It's a place where both quantum mechanics and general relativity should apply, but when we try to use both together, the maths just doesn't add up. Physicists have been wrestling with this problem for decades, and one promising solution is a theory of quantum gravity. This theory aims to describe gravity according to the principles of quantum mechanics. Several approaches are currently being explored, including string theory and loop quantum gravity. These theories suggest that space and time might not be continuous but composed of tiny, discrete chunks. Yet, developing a fully fledged theory of quantum gravity remains one of the biggest unsolved problems in theoretical physics. But why does it matter? Well, a theory of quantum gravity could lead us to a deeper understanding of the universe. It could shed light on the singularity at the center of black holes and even the Big Bang itself, the very birth of our universe. Moreover, this theory could provide insights into the nature of dark matter and dark energy, two mysterious entities that together make up about 95% of the universe. We're still grappling with these concepts, but every step we take brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. In our quest to understand black holes, we're pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and technology. And who knows what fascinating secrets we might uncover in this final frontier of physics. As we stand on the brink of new discoveries, the mysteries of black holes continue to captivate us. The upcoming missions and technologies are opening new avenues of exploration. The Event Horizon Telescope, for instance, is revolutionizing our understanding of these cosmic giants. Its ability to capture the silhouette of a black hole is unprecedented, providing us with the first ever image of a black hole's event horizon. Furthermore, gravitational wave detectors are shedding light on the violent cosmic events that create ripples in the fabric of space-time. These detectors have already confirmed the existence of binary black hole systems, a breakthrough that earned the 2017 Nobel Prize in Physics. And yet, despite these advances, the heart of a black hole remains uncharted territory. The quest to unravel the mysteries of black holes is far from over. It's a journey that pushes the boundaries of our knowledge, challenging our understanding of the universe. Black holes, these enigmatic cosmic phenomena, are not just distant objects in the cosmos, they are keys to understanding the fundamental laws of the universe.